How to create custom Photoshop brushes for digital painting. Are you curious about how to create custom brushes in Photoshop for your digital painting projects? You are in the right place. Let's break down the steps to help you craft brushes that fit your unique style. First, you will want to prepare your brush shape or texture. Start with a large canvas in Photoshop, ideally at least 500 by 500 pixels. This size helps maintain detail when you resize your brush later. On a new transparent layer, draw or import the shape or texture you want to use. This could be a hand-drawn design, a scanned texture, or even a photo that you convert to high contrast black and white. Remember, the brush tip is a grayscale image, where black areas define the brush's opacity, and white areas are transparent. Next, it is time to define your brush preset. Once your shape is ready, select it using the marquee or lasso tool. Go to the menu and choose Edit, followed by Define Brush Preset. You will then give your brush a name and save it. This action converts your shape into a brush tip that you can access from the brush preset picker. Now comes the fun part, customizing your brush settings. Open the brush settings panel to adjust how your new brush behaves. You can modify several parameters, such as size and spacing, which controls the distance between brush tip stamps. Shape dynamics allow for variations in size, angle, and roundness based on pen pressure or tilt. Scattering lets you randomize the distribution of brush marks. You can also explore texture and dual brush options for more complex effects. Finally, adjust transfer settings for opacity and flow jitter based on pressure. These adjustments help simulate natural media effects, making your digital paintings feel more authentic. After you have customized your brush, save the preset so it appears in your brush library. Organizing your brushes into groups or sets can be very helpful. For example, you might create categories for foliage brushes, texture brushes, or detail brushes. Custom brushes have numerous practical applications in digital art and illustration. They can mimic traditional media like charcoal, watercolor, or oil paint, adding a layer of authenticity to your work. You can quickly create complex textures, such as clouds, grass, or fabric patterns, without needing to paint each detail manually. Brushes tailored to your workflow can improve efficiency and consistency, especially when working on larger illustrations. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Use high-contrast black and white images for clear brush shapes. Experiment with brush spacing and shape dynamics to avoid repetitive patterns in your strokes. Testing brushes on a blank canvas can help you see how they behave with different pressure and speed. Lastly, consider combining multiple brushes or layering strokes to build more complex textures. By mastering the creation of custom brushes and their settings in Photoshop, you will gain powerful tools to express your style and improve your painting techniques. Happy painting!